We're celebrating something that's kind of new for Tillamook, and that is this World Fish Migration Day. The goal is to raise awareness of fish migration issues all around the world. This is a really neat piece of habitat. And a lot of times when we look at habitats like that, we might think, hey, that thing is full of sediment. There's nowhere for fish to be. Well, that's only at low tide. So during the high tide cycle, it gets flooded with fish. And now we're gonna go upstream a little ways. We'll show you an area where we're actually gonna be doing a reconstruction. This culvert, which has been failing slowly over time, developed a big gaping hole. At first glance, you might look at this and think, well, how is that a barrier? I can imagine coho salmon coming over that and getting in this culvert and swimming on up. And yeah, that's true. Under the right flows, most adult fish can get through here. It's the juveniles that have trouble. Our number one focus is to reconnect and enhance what we call overwintering habitat, where fish can go and get some refuge and do some rearing. This is exactly that kind of place. So we're really excited about it.
Welcome to Alder Creek Farm Community Garden. This is part of Lower Nehalem Community Trust's programming, and the Trust's mission is to have really sustainable practices and protect our land. You can have an edible and beautiful yard without using synthetic chemicals. It's all organic. Come on, ducks, come on. Come on, you guys are being good ducks this morning. So our compost system is a 5-bin system. It just gets progressively more decayed until you get to this point where you've got some really nice soil. Smells just like good earth, doesn't it? Yeah, so it's a full cycle. Oh my goodness, our elk have decided to show up. Yeah, it's pretty amazing property. You know, this is their homeland. Well, let's go find out what's growing in the greenhouse. This is all solar. UV rays will bounce around the greenhouse. They'll warm this water slightly, and then at night it dissipates and keeps everything warm. It's a great resource to show that earth-friendly mechanism. You can see things are looking pretty good, and they're getting ready to go out into the field.
Explore nature. Plan your next outdoor adventure today. Join the fun.